Now here's something else. Could you, if you didn't want to invest in a cut-in paintbrush at the angle and stuff, don't get one of those ones that go straight across. Okay, get one that's angled. You see what I mean? I got a 2-inch, I got a 2.5 inch. You know, this thing probably costs close to 20 bucks. This one costs close to $10. It might be more nowadays because I bought those many years ago. But if you're thinking, I don't know if I'm even going to be doing any other painting, or maybe there's just one project and I just need to get this one bedroom painted and that's it. I'm not going to spend all this money for all this stuff. Can I do it with cut-in paintbrushes? Yeah, you get a 2-inch, a 3-inch, a 2.5 inch, whatever. I used that 2-inch, and I was able to cut in up at the top along the edges of the door casing, down at the baseboard, cut in around all this kind of stuff. You know, I was able to do that really good. Could I keep doing that cut-in, that crummy throwaway paintbrush down at the bottom because I masked that all off? Yeah, I could. Could I cut in around all these door frames? Probably. I could probably do it. In fact, I'm wondering if I should do that just to show you that it's possible. You know, I don't know. I'm going to think about that. And because, again, other painters have been here before I got here. This condo's 45 years old. There's some paint up there. There's some paint there. There's a little bit of paint around there. There's all kinds of paint on the edges of the top of the baseboard. There's still bits and pieces of painting around the door casings and the window frames and that kind of stuff. So could I get by with that throw-in paintbrush? You know, in all of these different areas? Probably. I probably could if I wanted. Okay, so I'm going to think about that as I'm getting ready to get into the next paint. And as for pulling up this masking tape, I've been messing around for the last 15-20 minutes making a couple extra video tips and different things like that. And so, you know, all you have to do is leave this on there for 15-20 minutes, as long as you can touch your paint, and if it's just skin dry, you know what I mean? If it's dry to the touch, you can pull up that masking tape. So I'm going to pull up that masking tape. Seems as though I haven't wiped off and cleaned off the paintbrush yet or anything like that, because remember, I went ahead and painted that wood at the top again for a second coat and around all those coat hangers, those clips there and all that. And talking to you, my paintbrush is still okay, and so I'm going to pull that up. If I feel I have to do any touch up then down at the baseboard, I can do it then. Alrighty.